Hello guys, in this video you will learn how to save Linux terminal output to a file. We can save command output to a file by using single greater than symbol. See, now I am going to save this output to a file by using ls and single greater than. Then ls underscore output dot txt. What this will do? This will save this command output to this file. If this file not exists, it will create a file and copy the output of this command to this file. See, now let's verify the contents of this output. See, it contains the output of ls command. Suppose if you want to save this ls-ltrh output to ls output, this is human readable format. Now verify cat ls output.txt. See, it has stored human readable format. Now we are going to see how to append output of a command to existing file. Until now we have performed overwritten example. In last two examples we have redirected command output to new file. Now we are going to save the output to existing file. ls then scripts double greater than. Now I am going to send this output to this file. See what this command will do. Whatever the output of this command will be appended to this file. Let's see. More ls output. See the output. Until this line it was the existing data, and this is the new data appended to this file. These 4 lines are the output of this command. So it's appended the existing data. This is the existing data. These lines are appended to existing file. We can save the command output by using t command also. See the example. ps 5 symbol, then tilde symbol, then provide the file name ps output.txt. See, this is the output added to this file. Let's verify. See, ps command output saved to this file. So in this video we have seen how to save Linux terminal output to a file. For more Linux videos, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.